Now I'm going to show you how you can detect duplicate values and how to remove duplicate values using Power BI. So I created this file, this one right here, iris duplicate.csv, and that actually contains some duplicate values. So let me go ahead and open up this file and show you. So in this case, you can see there are these are the columns: ID, sepal length, sepal width, petal width, species, and then you have these values, and you can see this is 1, 2, 3. This value is exactly same as this value. So these three values are getting repeated. Actually, they are getting repeated three times right there. Okay, then I put some duplicate values for this one too. So you have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and then again 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. This getting repeated, and then you have these last record. These are not getting repeated. These are unique records. Okay, so it should be able to your Power BI should be able to detect these duplicates and also remove it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Power BI. So go ahead, open up your Power BI. Just come over here and type Power BI, and you see this Power BI desktop. Go ahead, click on Power BI desktop. Okay, so your Power BI is opened up. So you'll see a screen like this. Go ahead, click on blank report, and you'll see this screen appears now. All right, so now we're gonna get our data. It's a CSV file. So go ahead, click on get data, and go to more, and you can get the CSV. So that you can also get the CSV from other ways too. So in this case, I'm just saying all. Okay, so go ahead, click on file, and you're gonna see this text CSV option. Go ahead, click on this, and connect. And there you go. So my CSV file is over here, right here, irisduplicate.csv. So go ahead, click on this, open up the file, and please wait, have patience. And there you go. So it's opened up. So these are my files. It detected that my delimiter is comma on its own. All right, so far so good. Now we're gonna transform. Okay, so go ahead, click on transform. All right, so this is how it looks like now. So let's identify our duplicate value first. I just want to do that thing first. So the steps I'll be following would be these right here. So detection. So in this case, I'm going to go to Power Query Editor, Home, Transform Data. I did this part already. Select all columns or select few columns. In this case, I'm going to select all the columns. So come over here and go to your Power Query Editor. Selected this column. Select this. Select all the columns, and then you want to right click. Okay, and then you're going to see this option called Group By. So go ahead, click on Group By, and then you're gonna it's gonna ask you, okay, which columns do you want to group by? So I want to group by all the columns. This is good. New column name, I want to call it count. Operation, everything is good. Okay, so click on OK. So as soon as you click on OK, you're gonna see a new column appear over here called count. That's gonna give you the count of. So if you see 3, okay, right there, you see telling you 3 right there. 3 means that this particular record, okay, this one and this one, sorry, and this is getting repeated 3 times. That's what this 3 means. So this 3 means that this row is getting repeated 3 times. So this is how you can identify your duplicates. So just click over here. If you want to see all your duplicates, you can just tell there are some there are some 1 unique, there are some 2, there are some 3 duplicates. So let's go ahead and click on 3, click OK, and there you go. So see, it tells you that these rows are getting repeated 3 times. It's giving you this answer. All right, so this is done. Now let's let's remove the duplicates. Now I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates. So go ahead, right click over here, remove this column. We don't need this column. This is done. Now, okay, next thing, removal of duplicates. So hold control, select multiple columns, and then click remove duplicates. So come over here and select this column. So I'm hitting a control key, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Select all your columns, and then you're gonna see an option called remove duplicates. So right click, and you're gonna see this called remove duplicates. Go ahead, click on the remove duplicates, and there you go. Your duplicates have been successfully removed. Now you can see that. You see that 1, 2, 3, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 101. So all your duplicates have been successfully removed. And okay, so then make sure to do close and apply, and this is going to apply your changes, and just have patience. All right, 20 rows have been loaded. This is good. Working on it. This is good. Go to your table view, and now you're going to see your records in here. There you go. So you can see that duplicates have been removed.